Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video today is all about the esports gaming mouse. So I ordered this gaming mouse online since it had some RGB. You know guys, I'm a really fan of RGB. As you can see on the background, even my mouse pad there, that's the RGB. So I thought that mouse pad really needs some combination of great and amazing mouse. Since I was using a Logitech mouse from back in the days, it's a small mini mouse. If you guys want to check it out, let me just bring it. So this is the mouse which I was been using in a couple of days, years and stuff like that. It's actually sought me out through different aspects, but I thought that right now it's time for a game change. As you can see, it uses a battery. Now this is the battery it uses. But forget about this mouse. Well, what I have, it's an incredible mouse. So voila, this is what we have. As you can see on the image side, there is a gaming mouse here, which is something which is so great. Something else about this mouse on the packaging, it's something which is incredible, but I didn't like this since it's not safe 100%. Having this, it makes that feel that the mouse can crash or can happen. But so inside, what do we have? Actually, this is what we have. We have a USB, micro USB cable, normal micro USB. I'm having a lot of micro USB cables nowadays, plenty much. Bring them on, keep on bringing them on. I mean, ordering stuff online. So something else which we have, what fell down? What? Paperwork. Even the camera is not. Something was something else what we have a paperwork here. Some of you guys love reading paperwork, but some of you don't, and I got good news for you. It's written Chinese, so you can't read it unless you're using Google Translator. Something else we have the mouse is our mouse. So this is our mouse here. It's something which is so incredible about this mouse. Looks so premium, looks so decent, looks so crispy. You wanna see some RGB? Hello baby, here we get some RGB. This is what the mouse has. As you can see, it glows, shows you different type of aspect throughout the mouse. It gives you that kind of good feeling, good, amazing. I like the feel of the clicking left and right. You feel like you didn't click anything. It's really amazing. You get some combination of button here if you're using a browser and stuff like that. I hope some of you guys can see that. So there are buttons here, 3 buttons, 1, 2 and 3. So it's something which is amazing. Something else, this small it's called like a like a ball, small ball. It's something which is so incredible out of it. It's just that it gives you that kind of feel of back in the days. It doesn't do anything, it's just there like an antique. So I think to my own kind of aspect, this is the way to go. This is the esports gaming mouse. So I really love this mouse. Something else, you can charge the mouse somewhere here down. I think something which is so great, and it gives you that kind of precision. Now something else about this mouse is how long does it sustain for battery? Now that's a question. Now it didn't written anything. Since I'll be using it, I'll be giving you guys feedback. So where will I be giving you guys feedback about the mouse? Well, I'll be posting it on Twitter and even on my Instagram account if it's your thing. But if it's not, you can just fast forward it. But I think you're gonna check it out. But I think to my own kind of aspect, this is the way to go for this an incredible mouse from esports. So shout out to esports, and let us just keep on revealing or using it to get that kind of feel. But I feel like there's something inside. I think it's, I don't know, but oh, I remember there's a small dongle, this one, but still it's not quite bad. So I think to my own kind of aspect, you dock this on your PC, then you're using the mouse on the go. So this is the way to go. This is the esports gaming mouse, and shout out to esports. And I really recommend having a gaming mouse, not only a gaming mouse for gaming, but for doing even your workflow. It really feels how much you're using the mouse and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching. We love this video today. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up. You're new here, my name is Abdurrahim. So consider to subscribe to your homeboy here. I would really appreciate that. Last but not least, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace. And peace.